Have you ever wanted to arrange items neatly on your web page without them bumping into each other or creating awkward gaps? Perhaps you have tried to center something perfectly or make elements expand to fill available space. The CSS property, display, flex, transforms an HTML element into a flexible container, giving you powerful control over how its direct child elements, known as flex items, are arranged and spaced out. This works because display, flex, activates the Flexbox layout module, a modern CSS feature designed specifically for one-dimensional layouts. It establishes a main axis and a cross-axis within the container. All the spacing and alignment properties you then apply to the flex container or its items are relative to these axes. This allows for dynamic adjustments, automatically managing the distribution of space among items and making them much easier to align, especially when your web page needs to adapt to different screen sizes. To use it, you apply display, flex, to a parent element in your CSS. This parent element instantly becomes a flex container. Its direct children then become flex items. You can then use properties like justify content on the container to control how items are distributed along the main axis, for example, centering them or spreading them out. You can also use align items to align them along the cross-axis, which is perpendicular to the main axis. For even more control, you can define the flex direction as either row or column, determining the main axis. You can also set flex wrap to allow items to wrap onto the next line if there is not enough space. For individual flex items, properties like flex grow allow them to expand and take up extra space. Flex shrink lets them contract, and flex spaces sets their initial size before any growing or shrinking occurs. These distinct properties offer a level of granular control previously much harder to achieve. By understanding the interplay between the flex container and its items, and grasping the concept of the main and cross axes, you gain a robust and intuitive system for creating adaptable and visually pleasing layouts that respond beautifully across various devices without complex manual adjustments.